In this video, I am going to finish exercise 6a. Already we have done question number 1 to 8. Now see question number 9. Two complementary angles are in the ratio 4:5. Find the angles. Now the ratio is given. Here two angles we have to find whose ratio is given as a 4:5. So how to start this one? Solution. Let the measure of an angles be 4. It means you have to write 4x, and for is to 5. So we can write as a 5x. So 4:5 means 4x and 5x. Once we get the x, then if you put the value of x in this 4x and 5x, that one is our required angle. Now, these two angles is what? Yes, these two angles is your complementary angles. So, what we have to write? According to the question, these two angles, 4x plus 5x is equal to 90 degree, because complementary means sum of two angles is your 90 degree. So solve it. This one will be 9x is equal to 90 degree. So x equal to 90 degree divided by 9, which is equal to 10 degree. So we got the x as a 10 degree. Therefore, the angles are 4x, which is equal to 4 into 10, because x is your 10, so 40 degree, and 5x equal to 5 into 10 degree, which is equal to 50 degree. So 40 degree and 50 degree is your answer. Now question number 10. Same way, the ratio is given, but this is for supplementary angles. So for supplementary angles, what is the sum? Yes, exactly, it is 180 degree. So what you have to write? Let the measure of an angles be 4x and 5x. So according to the question, 4x plus 5x equal to supplementary. So this is 180 degree. So 9x is equal to 180 degree. So x equal to 180 degree divided by 9. So this is 20 degree. Now therefore the angles are 4x. So 4 into 20 degree, it is equal to 80 degree. Then 5x, this is 5 into 20 degree. So this is 100 degree. So 80 and 100 degree is your answer. Now question number 11. Find the measure if an angle is 7 times its complement is 10 degree less than 3 times its supplement. So in this question we have both complement angle and also supplement angle. So see how to solve this type of question. Solution. Let the measure of an angle be x. So we have taken our unknown angle is your x. Now for this angle x, first you write down the complement. So its complementary angle is equal to 90 degree minus x. Done. This one complement. Now the in question supplement also given. So its supplementary angle is equal to 180 degree minus x. Okay, because x and 90 degree minus x is your complementary angle, means 90 degree minus x is the complementary angle of x, 180 degree minus x is the supplementary of the angle x. Now come to the question again. according to the question. If 7 times its complement, means 7 times means multiply. 7 times its complement, which is the complement? 90 degree minus x. So 7 into 90 degree minus x. 7 times its complement is means is equal to 10 degree less, means minus 10. 10 degree means minus 10, but minus 10 to which factor? This one. Then less than 3 times its supplement. First you have to make the 3 times its supplement. 3 times. Times means yes, multiply. So 3 into 180 degree minus x. 3 times its supplement, because supplement is your 180 degree minus x. Now 10 degree less, it means minus 10 degree. So we form the equation. Once we form the equation, then you have to just solve the equation. 7 into 90, 630 minus 7x. 3 into this one, 0, 3 8 24, 3, 4, 5 minus 3x minus 10 degree. So minus 7x, bring this minus 3x plus 3x is equal to 540 degree minus 10 degree, and bring this 630 this side, so this is minus 630 degree. So 7 minus 3, 7 minus 3 you do, this one will be minus 4x because 7 is greater than 3. 540 minus 10, 530, 630. Minus 4x is equal to 530 minus 630 will be your, yes, it will be 100. Only 100? No, it's a minus 100 because it is a minus 630 and minus 630 is greater than what? 530. Now cancel this negative from both sides. So 4x equal to 100 degree. So x equal to 100 degree divided by 4. Now divide it. This one will be your, yes, it is 25 degree, which is the answer. Now see question number 12. Solution. If angles 2x minus 10 degree and x minus 5 degree are complementary angles, very easy. Here, this is the angle, this is the angle. So, according to the question, these two angles are the complementary angle. So, what you have to write? According, direct you can write here now. According to the question, 2x minus 10 degree plus x minus 5 degree is equal to, yes, it is 90 degree. So 2x plus x will be 3x minus 10 minus, this one will be 15 degree, which is equal to 90 degree. So 3x equal to 90 degree plus 15 degree. So this is 5 degree, 9 plus 1, 10, 3x. So x equal to 105 degree divided by 3. So 3 3s are 9, then 3 5s are 15. So answer will be your 35 degree. So question number 9, 10, 11 and question number 12 you do neatly in your maths copy. And if you have any doubt regarding exercise 6A, you can call me or you can send message to me in my number. Thank you and take care.